Hey guys, my name is William and I'm going to show you how to make an Active Directory domain controller on Windows Server 2019 and how to connect to it with Windows 10. Before I started the video on the server, I configured the host name to Billy Server, and then I corrected the time on the server and on the Windows 10. I also updated both operating systems. Right now I'm just changing the Windows Server IP to static, and then I'm setting the DNS address as the loopback address because we're going to be making this a DNS server as well. And right here we're going to go to add roles and features and then add Active Directory domain services and DNS. Right here I am setting the DNS address for the Windows 10 machine as the same IP address as the Windows server. And I also set the IP address on the Windows 10 to be static, but you don't have to do that. And right now we're going to have to promote it to a domain controller, and we're going to be making a new forest, and I'm going to call it Thor. After you promote it to a domain controller, it's going to ask you to restart. And right here I'm just going to see if I can ping the host name of the server. After your server is restarted, you'll want to go to Accounts and then Access Work or School. Then join this device to a local Active Directory domain. And right here is where you're going to type in the domain that you made. Mine would be Thor. Now you just log in with the administrator account and the password you created earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.